What is up, you guys? Welcome back to today's video. I just want to thank you guys so much for being here and just supporting me and watching my videos. It just means so much to me. If you guys can, just please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Give this video a big thumbs up so you guys don't miss a future video of mine. But without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into today's video. Alright guys, so before we jump into today's makeup look, I just wanted to stop here while I just have a fresh face, no makeup, no nothing, because I really wanted to show you guys a huge difference that I've noticed in my skin, even from just my last video, which was how long ago? I could tell you. Hold that thought. I had uploaded a video and it was over like my winter skincare and also just me dealing with eczema because it's been pretty bad recently. I uploaded that video 3 days ago. I feel like my skin looks absolutely amazing even since just that video, because if you guys go back and look at that video, my skin was really irritated all around my mouth. I was even flaking really bad right here by my eyes, and just like I just had some stuff going on. I don't know a whole lot of what it was, but what I've been doing I feel like has really been helping me. And I'm just so pumped because I'm just like, my skin's so clear. I'm just so happy about it, okay? I'm less stressed because I have been so stressed out with finals, and then I have to study for my TEAS test, and just like the whole nursing journey right now is kicking my booty, and it's just, it really has shown on my skin. And I just thought I just kind of would share a little bit with you guys what I've been doing. Nutrition, and they're just like little supplements that they have given me. I'm taking them and I seriously feel like they've been making a difference. Like gosh, my skin on my face is just like very close to when I came out of the womb. So my current favorite foundation is actually this Revolution stick foundation, and it's in the shade F11. This has been my go-to. Like, I use this every day, and I don't know if this is what's kind of been helping my skin, because I feel like sometimes certain foundations can make my skin more dry and cause me to flake more often. I've just been really liking it. It just goes on really good, helps with coverage, and it really makes my skin look dewy and like not dry at all. And you don't need a lot, which is good. Like I literally just put on a couple stripes and that's it. And I usually take a beauty sponge like this one here. This is just the Real Techniques, and I just spray it with this dewy finish long-lasting setting spray from NYX, which I really like. It just helps with hydration and just helps apply your it helps like spread your foundation more than versus like when your sponge is dry. I always use a wet sponge. It just works a lot better.
just like the ones I used to know.
And that is everything for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in a future video. Bye guys!